7 homemade beauty remedies that can help you save money and have an effective home routine. People from all over the world enjoy coffee for its taste, but this drink can have some other great uses as well. We've gathered some of the best recipes with coffee that will help you get rid of skin and hair problems. Swelling under the eyes. We all know this pain when we wake up in the morning with large bags under the eyes. To get rid of them, mix a half a tablespoon of ground coffee beans or fresh coffee grounds, a half a tablespoon of coconut oil, a pinch of ground black pepper, and a few drops of water. Apply the remedy to your face under the lower eyelids. After the mask has dried up, print it off with warm water. You'll be impressed with the results. Hair loss. Prepare the masks 1 to 2 times a week. The full course of treatment should consist of 12 applications. Here's the recipe. Mix 2 tablespoons of fine or medium ground coffee. With 3 ounces of heated olive oil, apply the mask to damp hair. Spread it along the whole length of your hair and wrap it in foil. After 30 minutes, rinse your hair with shampoo. Keep in mind that the remedy might cause a change of tint when used on light hair. Cellulite. This scrub recipe has been known since the ancient times. First, mix ground coffee or dried coffee grounds with the same amount of salt, and then add a few drops of olive oil. Apply the scrub on a stained skin and massage it in with slow, circular, upward movements. To achieve great results, repeat the procedure 1 to 2 times a week. Dry or cracked lips. This is a natural way to make your lips soft and plump. Mix a half a tablespoon of coffee grounds and a half a tablespoon of honey massage the resulting scrub into your lips for 30 seconds, and then remove it with a wet cotton swab. Your lips are now tender and smooth. Black dots on the face. To get rid of annoying black dots on your face, try this recipe. Mix 2 tablespoons of dried coffee grounds or finely ground with curd in a ratio of 1 to 1. Apply the remedy onto the stained skin, massage it in for 2 minutes. Then leave it on for another 10 minutes. After that, rinse it off with warm water. Repeat the treatment once a week to get the flawless facial skin. Oily skin. This recipe will help you get rid of excess oil on your face quickly. First, mix fresh coffee ground 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Apply the mixture to your face. Massage it in for 1 to 2 minutes and then rinse it off with cool water. Now your skin looks fresher and better. Dull facial skin. To get healthier looking skin, take 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds, 1 tablespoon of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 raw egg. Stir all the ingredients until you get a smooth pulp, and then apply it to the face after 15 minutes. Rinse with cool water. Keep in mind that you can apply the mask no more than 1 to 2 times a week. We bet you can't recall any more beauty remedies with coffee. Do you know other useful recipes to look healthy and fresh? Let us know in the comments below. If you're visiting our channel for the first time, click subscribe to stay on the deep side of life.